Okay, so if you are in Nigeria and you run Facebook ads, then you surely want to watch this, okay? So as you all know, the Naira payments for Facebook ads, especially for postpaid accounts, is actually quite difficult, okay? So let me show you how I was able to pay up my debts on this ad account, and practically I'm going to be showing you how to do that on this unsettled ads account. Okay, so let me just select it, and when I go to settings and payments, you can see I have an outstanding balance of 2000 naira, which I've been trying to pay up this money with my local card, but it's not working. Okay, that's because there's a restriction on the Naira cards for now. Okay, so the method we are going to be using is that we are going to be using a virtual card. Okay, so let me switch the app, and so we are going to be using the cheaper cash virtual card. Okay, so I already created a video on how you can access your USD and Naira cards. Okay, so just go ahead and check for the video in the description of this video. Okay, and go back to your Facebook account. So I've already added the card here. You can see Visa card. Sometimes it may ask you for verification, so just ensure you verify the card from the cheaper cash app. Okay, so I'll just click on pay now, and yes, I'll select the Visa card from cheaper cash, and I'll click on pay now. So sometimes if the money is too large, it may not work, so you may need to split the money into batches. Okay, but let's try this 2000 naira. So I'll confirm. Wow, so you can see it is successful. It is as simple as that. Okay, so just go ahead and try this process and clear up the debt you are owing on your Facebook ads. Okay, now the issue of this card is that the conversion rate may be relatively too high. Okay, so you want to alternatively use a domiciliary account. Okay, you can use a domiciliary USD card to make payments on Facebook. Just go to your bank and request for this card. Okay, you be provided with materials that you need to bring before this card can be opened. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, then give it a thumbs up, and if you want to keep seeing content like this, then just subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you get notified as soon as I drop a new content. My name is Isaac Matt, and I will see you in another video. Bye.